everyone. I am Satita and I have been student of KGI Biosciences Batch 16. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for choosing Biocon Academy, as it's going to be a turning point in all your career paths, as it has been for so many of us. Now Biocon and KGI have come together and they have formed this unique course in which all the educational or academic know-how requires to function in various pharma departments like R&D, production, quality and regulatory is offered by various subjects by KGI, and the professional know-how required is taught by working professionals from Biocon in form of functional visit. This particular course is one of its kind and all the faculty members are highly informative, experienced and they are super supportive. They will always encourage you to ask more questions and learn more by being open to all the resources which are out there. Now we used to have AD sir who used to teach us a subject of microbial fermentation. The kind of depths he will go in order for process flow or process parameters and all the small formulas related to that, I have been using those in my daily work life. We used to have Dr. Shrikant Kolluru who used to teach us a very small topic on drug-drug interactions, and his style of teaching is so intoxicating that you will start applying that similar logic in your daily life. Now one of my favorites, Pukar sir, who used to teach us about regulatory bodies like FDA, he will design his assignments in such a way that during preparation of one such assignments, I realized my pull towards working as quality assurance professional, and it was that realization which gives me the purpose during my tenure at academy. Now apart from the KGI subjects, we have hands-on training programs offered by Thermo Fisher and Biozin. Now unfortunately ours was the first batch which got hit by COVID-19 pandemic, and it's because of that we could not physically go and visit Thermo Fisher facility, but nonetheless all the experts from Thermo arranged online sessions in such a fashion that we got exposure to all the leading trends in R&D sector of pharma industry. Now coming back to Biozin, one of my most cherishable moments from academy times is actually attached with Biozin training. So on first day of our training, they gave us a piece of paper and asked us to draw a diagram of bioreactor. On last day of our training, they gave us the same question but in form of an exam. Once the exam was over, they handed us back our papers from day one. The moment I saw my paper, I had my moment of pride, because being an immature who knew nothing about bioreactors to being someone who knew what bioreactor is, how it looks, what its components are and how it functions, that journey of transformation was pretty much visible on the paper itself. Now after hearing all this, if you believe that technical knowledge is all that you will get out of this course, then you will be wrong. Today I am speaking in front of all of you so confidently, and all the alumni which you will be interacting during your tenure, you will find them equally confident in any form of public speaking. The credit of it all goes to the professional skills and the communication skills development sessions taken at academy. All these sessions are highly personalized and they will focus on each individual's requirements and the scope of improvement. Now when you will join industry, you will understand that having knowledge is necessity, but in order to take your career further, you require interpersonal skills, and here at academy they will always encourage you to develop soft skills as part of your personality development. Now for each batch during their tenure, there is one day which everyone look forward to, and that day is cultural day. As part of this day, we have a lot of fun activities in which many of our hidden talents in form of dancing or painting or fashion show will be coming out, or the least we will all learn something about sportsmanship, because we have a lot of sports event as part of this day. Now the purpose of having such activities is for us to understand the kind of work-life balance which we all should be aiming for in our lives. By participating in such activities, you will understand the true meaning of teamwork, and bonds which you will be forming here are going to be your first bonds in the professional industry. For next 18 weeks of your tenure, Your team is going to be your greatest strength, and my personal note of advice will be for all of you to understand the importance of your teammates and your batchmates in your personal growth without losing your focus. On parting note, I would just like to say, have fun, try to learn as much as you can, be open to all the opportunities and possibilities which will be coming your way, and just try to make most of your time count at Biocon Academy, as it will never come back. So all the best to each one of you. Now, last but definitely not the least, I would like to thank each and every faculty members of KGI and Biocon Academy for making me industry ready and giving me this opportunity to interact with you all. So thank you everyone once again.